So, I thought I should just update you on this. Izolo was the 10th of October. As you know, that South African Human Rights Commission summoned us to court, and we went to court. And after court, we then decided with some patriots, let's go and support Bafana Bafana because there was a soccer match between Zimbabwe and South Africa in Moses Mabhida Stadium. And we went, and I must say, I sat there and I observed the attitude of South Africans towards foreigners. Guys, we are sitting on a time-ticking bomb. Now, it even went to a point where South Africans were like, Asifuni kuhlala nani, hambani niyohlala le. Now, this was because of the attitude, the arrogance. Some Zimbabweans bayadelela, guys. And some South Africans are like, not here. That was the attitude that I've observed is all. South Africans are hurtful. And, if government is not going to do anything about this immigration crisis we are facing as a country, we are on a time-ticking bomb. It's going to explode anytime soon. And I don't think government is ready for that. But I thought, let me just share my experiences. Since I was with the masses, a stadium, and I sat there and I observed. But yeah, that's what it is.
Good morning. I just want to respond to Sandile. I was at the stadium. There were some South Africans sitting with Zimbabweans without any problems. Even after the match, we greeted each other. So like my sister, you need to stop lying. I don't know why you hate us so much. Maybe that story, we were told that you had a kids with Zimbabweans or you are from Zimbabwe. It sounds like it's true now. You need to stop lying. Why you hate us so much?
Kodwa Zandi, kufunani lesikole singasebenza manje sisube nesikole ekhanda. Uzokhuluma ama South African human rights ebholeni. ISouth Africa sihambe kangaki kwamanye amazwe isiyadlala kunabalandeli labantu beSouth Africa abasuka besweyeseka lapho eyakhona. So ufuna ukuthi iZimbabwe mayizodlala ibhola eSouth Africa kungabi nabalandeli beZimbabwe ozosupport iteam yakibo. Sisikhanda lisebenze sisi. Ikhanda lokho akusebenze lokho. Nesikole sibe khona. Indlala dadwethu, indlala lokufuna ukunakwa lokufuna kuba lesihlalo thizeni ezweni lakho. Kungakwenza ucina ugxamukela entweni ongazaziyo. Benisa iSouth Africa entweni eziningi. Lento esikhuluma ngayo le yi-World Cup qualification. Uyezwa? Le sikhuluma ngayo le. Idlalela into yokuthi into yamazwe wonke eyomhlaba kahle kahle. Uyekela ukugxamukela ezintweni ezingafuni wena. Idudula yakho le right uma ukhuluma ngayo emkukwini le. Ukhuluma into indlela ufuna ukukhuluma ngayo sina problem labo ngoba vele uzogcina ukukhuluma vele ekugcineni. But isuke ebholeni ntombazana. Ebholeni unga-expect ukuthi kuzabuya iPortugal ibuye ngalabantu bePortugal eground. EZimbabwe ngeke ifike idlale singabuye estadium sobukela iZimbabwe. And lento ifoma engamange yokulwa kwabantu leyi ibhola leli lidlala every day and akuzange kwaba le report ukuthi mhlawumbe kulabantu abaxabene ngaleyo nto izokhulunywa nguwe ngenxa yenzondo. Siswami mawajula neZimbabwe la kudlala awubhekane nalo ukukhuluma ngathi. Uyabona ukwafundi kukwenza ungananzeli into eziningi. Kumanje ama truck eSouth Africa are importer, are exporter every day to another countries. Ba drive ama truck aphuma angena. Indiza lezo bona zigcwele lapha nama airport. Ziya kwamanye amazwe. Zithwala ama South Africa every day. Aya kwamanye amazwe. Zibuya nabanye abantu from kwamanye amazwe. Sisi indlala ingakwenzi ukukhulume izinto uzuyeqa lapho kumele ume khona. And ama foreigner asoma Zimbabweans. Kwabelungu laba bagcwele lapha soba lapha laba belungu. Ungazosidake uyasidakelwa nje nkazana. Uyasidakela inkinga zakho nje olazo lokufuna unaka kwakho awube nalapho odlalela khona. Alright ukhulume noma yini uyifunayo umathanda. But masodlalela ku FIFA udlalela endaweni wrong kakhulu. Because le video yakho leyi iZimbabwe ngayireporta le ku FIFA le izabhenwa le team hambe ngadlali World Cup ngenxa yakho wedwa. Ngendlala yakho ngeenga yakho yobulima. Hayi ntombazana. Hayi ungazenza isilima. Ungayenzani uyahlanya ekhanda. Mina nje futhi angisabi. Mina empilweni yami vela nje angisabi umuntu mina. Mina umbona nginje mina ngisabi umuntu mina. Yabo? So uma uzofuna ukuthi udlalele kuma Zimbabweans ngalendlela ukuthi lesikolo usuzigcina sasisebenzisa uzogcina uzimochele wena. Uzozimochela wena entweni eziningi ntombazana. Ngoba kumaye usilandela yonke indawo muzi. singasabukeli ibhola ke manje singasayi ground because of ukuthiwa khona wena le South Africa le asomuzi wakho lo ngoba nje silapha sikho emzini wakho la and wena usilutho awulikho le foreigner elilodwa elidisturb into zakho akula le foreigner elilodwa linikeza imali yezwa ungazi ubuhlungu ngento yamazwe ongayazidi yaqala njani oyithola khona uthe uzala wena uthola ama foreign efika la uthola abantu balaba besiya kwamanye amazwe understand ungani usuyaphapha wona sis indlela osuphapha ngakhona hayi ayisekho right
wemntakama ibhola leli akulona ipolitiki yabona lento othi uyi-observile kule game eSouth Africa neZimbabwe ophinde uye futhi egroundini uye-observe amakudlala i-Chiefs ne-Pirates uyobona ukuthi ku-West ngeke ukuthi kuhlangene iy'mbangi ama-rivals bese ufuna babe moya munye bazoklesha ngembono bazoklesha ngoba basapotha amaqembu angafani wena-ke manje usufuna ukusithenga-ke manje ufuna ukuzuza songena kuloshuni wakho we-agenda yepolitiki through ibhola cha siyali-understand ibhola it's not about South Africa neZimbabwe into yebhola nje wena uzo-observa into yebhola la ngolayini wepolitiki sila into yebhola le into nje yebhola ku-Chiefs ne-Pirates game yakhona baze bashayana ama-fans baze baquzulane babhonyane so nje awuzame esinye i-strategy mntakama
azi mfethu ade ngibuka le video kaZandile lela Operation Dudula ufuna ukusebenzisa abalandeli bebhola ukuze afese inhloso zakhe ze-Operation Dudula guys ukuthi bafethu nenkinga nabantu bokufika hayi sonke sibaningi singabalandeli bebhola but ade ngibuka le video yenzile ayi yabona imfethu leya fanele uyidelete nganoma fanele wenze njani but ayenzi sense yezwa le nto le kuprovela ukuthi lento eyikhulumayo udoti wento ubani umlandeli weZimbabwe obesenkingeni ngenxa ukuthi ubese groundini esupport iZimbabwe ubani oshawo omunye angithi wena upromote asifunana ama South African awafuna amaZimbabweni ade khona amaZimbabwe egroundini iliphi iZimbabwe nelishayiwe lishayela ukuthi belise groundini lisupport iZimbabwe come on guys nimuzana ukupush agenda yabona manje usuyifaka endaweni errong uyifaka endaweni errong unabadlali abasuka eZimbabwe abadlala la eSouth Africa abacontribute ema teamini la eSouth Africa ibhola lihlangene nayo yonke lento enifuna ukuyenza ipolitiki ayidlalele le ibhola lidlalele le ngahlanganisa into engahlangani ubuqala ngisho kuye groundini usuzosikhulumela le nonsense oyifuna ukuyikhuluma la hayi kahle mfethu kahleni bafethu ilwe ipolitiki ngendlela efanele uyilwe ngayo ilwe ipolitiki ngepolitiki musukuthatha ezinye izinto engahlangene nepolitiki uyifake kuyipolitiki cha ukuthi iyancasula lento cause egroundini abantu inqwaba ade bese groundini egroundini ihlezi kunjena hlezi sibhifana ngenxa ukuthi isport siyacompete makuhlela abalandeli beSundowns nebePirate egroundini ukubona ihlezi kunjani egroundini kuyahwayelwana kumnandi bacula laba bakhala laba ngene igoli kude kuje nabaZimbabwe bekuyifana bekuyinto eyi1 but ukuthi wena upromote ukuthi bekuzondwana egroundini it's sport ibhola hayi bafethu manihlula ipolitiki shonini yahlula ipolitiki abantu beSouth Africa abafuna ukusilandela bonke qhubeka nale ngcosana ehamba nani laba bo200 abafuna ukwenza yonke le nonsense enifuna ukuyenza.
Hi, good evening my sister, good evening to you Zandile Dabula. My sister, I just need some clarity. You say yesterday after the court, after the Human Rights Commission took you to court, you went to Moses Mabhida Stadium where there was a match between South Africa, a soccer match between South Africa and Zimbabwean national squad in Moses Mabhida Stadium. Moses Mabhida Stadium, if I'm not mistaken, takes around 100,000 people. But you, for some reason, observed the stadium, the whole stadium. I guess you are Holy Spirit. And then what you have observed in that stadium is the attitude of South Africans towards foreign nationals. You say yourself that South Africans don't want these Zimbabweans, these foreign nationals, my sister. That is what you say. The attitude they gave to those Zimbabweans told you that we are sitting on a time-ticking bomb. My sister, here's my question, a smaller question. If that is true, where do these foreigners stay because they don't own homes in South Africa? Let's talk about Zimbabweans. Zimbabweans, majority of them are poor. they are staying in the townships, they are staying in the villages. Inside in the townships, they are renting rooms and they are renting shacks that are owned by South Africans. In their villages, like in KZN, in Limpopo, Mpumalanga, Northwest, they will stay inside the house with the house owner. Zimbabweans are running laundries, salons, and they're working as domestic workers and securities. Who hires them? Isn't it the same South Africans? Where is the attitude there? My sister, don't you think you now want to reduce all of us to your level of thinking? This is nonsense. It's a pure lie. Zimbabweans or foreign nationals in South Africa, especially black ones, are staying in our own houses as South Africans. We hire them, we share schools with them, we share everything with them. They only become a problem to people like you. And they only become problems during elections. After elections, you are going to be quiet, you are going to be their friend. The same way, those that you gave votes to last year, Operation Patriotic Alliance, are now not having a problem with Zimbabweans. Even Gayton McKenzie, Mabahambe, says to you, I don't have problem with foreigners. My accountant is a Zimbabwean. Kenny Kunene gives 180 million rand tender to a Nigerian. So, my sister, I think you need to take South Africans serious. This which you are telling us now is madness. In a stadium, my sister, you can only observe 6-7 people around you. And the reality is that in a stadium, the arrangement by nature, if Sundowns is playing with Kaizer Chiefs, the fan of Kaizer Chiefs will be on the other side and the fan of Sundowns will be on the other side for celebration's sake. If South Africa is playing with Zimbabwe, by nature, these people will never interlink, will never mix. Zimbabweans will be on the other side, South Africans will be on the other side. They will be mocking each other, they will be playing with each other. My sister, not everyone is like you. Some of us can think. Please, man, take us serious.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. Ama-TikTokers, they are dragging uZandile Dabula. Zandile Dabula i-president i-Operation Dudula ngemva kokuthi akhulume ngegame lebedlala lapha Moses Mabhida Stadium Friday last week between Zimbabwe and South Africa. So uthi into la observile laphana uthi ma-Zimbabwean they were disrespecting ma-South Africans, and uyabona ukuthi nema-South Africans akhathele manje ma-Zimbabweans ayabona ukuthi ayatselela kahle kahle we are sitting on a time ticking bomb. So she was basically saying nje ukuthi isikhathi sabo seyaphela la Mzansi, abantu abaningi bayabona ukuthi vele bantu boqhamuka bayabhetha because bane-attitude, and people are saying ukuthi girl uhlanganisa njani ipolitiki nebhola, because ipolitiki iyodwa ibhola iyodwa. Thina lokhuluma ngako we were there but asikubonanga, but if uqanga ukuthi bekuwesi ngalesikhathi kudlala i-South Africa neZimbabwe uboyama kudlala i-Kaizer Chiefs ne-Pirates, because vele kufanele kube ngale ndlela sisebholweni laphana and asifave into leyi-one. And njengoba singafave into leyi-one angeke sithi sise-stadium sibe sesiyafana ngemibono. And we-expect kanjani nako ukuthi la South Africa sinebantu who are Zimbabweans mabase-stadium bangafave iZimbabwe, because vele batofava yona ayikho into le bethene lesiyibonile laphana, sibonele nje ibhola lebeyidlala as usual. Nalokho khuluma ngeke ukuthi boye-observer cha asikubonanga sisi. Some are even saying ukuthi wena ungathi stadium besigcwele kangaka wena ukhona observer bonke labantu ubone ukuthi wena labantu abavani khona nokubona ukuthi ma-Zimbabweans atselela abantu base-South Africa. So abantu abaningi they are dragging uZandile Dabula laphana ku-TikTok ngemva ngemva kwale video yakhe la yende Friday ngalesikhanabia lapha eMoses Mapida. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.